This video reviews the general use of the EC Series Analyzer and its companion software, IBMS. The EC Series Analyzer is a multi-frequency impedance battery tester. Its primary use is for testing the health of lead-acid battery backup power for utility, telecommunication, UPS, and other medium to large-scale applications. The EC Series Analyzer accurately assesses the state of health of batteries and tracks the evolution of battery degradation over time. Based on simple alarm levels, the operator is able to detect faulty batteries and trend when a battery needs replacement. Because the EC Series Analyzer is essentially a portable frequency response analyzer, it can also be used for testing other battery chemistries and work with other electrochemical devices, providing that the test device has an overall impedance between 100 ohms and 1 microohm and a voltage below 18 volts. The EC Series Analyzer measures 3 test parameters: voltage, impedance, and Global Energy Innovation's parameter CellScan, which assesses the chemical properties of the battery. CellScan parameters are leading indicators of battery failure, while impedance and voltage are considered lagging indicators. Consult the training video G1 for more information on these test parameters. IBMS is the companion software used with the EC Series Analyzer and can be downloaded for free from our website or by accessing our customer support website. With IBMS, you'll be able to create test configurations, review and trend test results collected by the EC Series Analyzer, and much more. IBMS also works with Global Energy Innovation's CM Series continuous monitoring systems. You are also able to perform analyzer firmware updates. Review the videos IBMS COM 1 and 2 and EC-COM-1 for a detailed description of the USB transfer protocol between your analyzer and IBMS. The analyzer can be used under 2 modes, quick test and string test. Both tests use the Kelvin probes. For a complete listing of Global Energy Innovation's various Kelvin probes, visit our online store or product catalog. The Kelvin probes are connected to the tester at the Kelvin connectors. The meter and probe inputs are used with other functions of the analyzer, such as voltmeter and oscilloscope. In quick test, the analyzer may be used for making on-the-fly measurements similar to a conventional multimeter. The results of a quick test are not saved. You can create custom quick tests on the analyzer or IBMS and have these custom quick tests dedicated to particular batteries. Use this quick test mode for inspection of incoming batteries at your facility, for example. Review the videos IBMS CT1 and EC-TC2 for configuring the quick tests, as well as EC-QT1 for performing quick test. String test is the core function of the EC Series Analyzer, allowing you to do in-depth battery testing. For performing a string test, you will need to first create a string configuration which specifically details the battery string you will be testing. The string test data is collected according to the information associated with the selected string configuration. Once data is collected, you can review, trend, and access overall battery health both on the analyzer and in the IBMS software. The string configuration and associated test results are identified and categorized by 4 components: company, region, site, and string. You should create your own identifiers before creating the string configuration. In the analyzer, access the company region function by going from the main menu to Test Configurations and then select Company Region. Select New and enter the company and region name. When the entry is done, confirm by pressing F2. To create a site in a company region, from the Test Configuration screen, select String Configuration. In the Location screen, select New. Enter the site name, then assign the site to a company region by using the left and right arrows. Back in the Location screen, select the test site. Then create the string configuration of the site. The procedure is similar in IBMS. Most users find it easier. Click on Inventory Management and use the bottom contextual menu to create your company, region, and site. Once a site is available, you will be able to create a string configuration under this location. Note that the contextual menu can also be opened with a right click. The process of creating a test configuration in IBMS and the analyzer can be reviewed through several videos in the Training Videos webpage. The string configuration contains information on the string such as the number of batteries and the battery information as well as other various test settings. In particular, the analyzer comes with an auto baseline feature that will determine the impedance reference and the ACF for you. If you do not know the baseline values associated to your battery, you should leave the auto baseline function in the on position so the analyzer will determine the baseline values during the first test of the string. If auto baseline is turned off, you will be prompted to enter your own baseline values based on prior knowledge or testing. Note that creating templates can greatly facilitate the generation of your string configuration or quick test settings. Review the videos on data transfer protocol between IBMS and the analyzer. These videos include firmware updates. To perform a string test, go to String Test from the main menu. Select the site, then the string at the site to be tested, and start a new test. Enter the generic temperature of the test. Pressing F2 will allow you to enter the test session. The analyzer displays the test results in sequence following your entries in the string configuration. Connect to the battery or strap. If you have selected Manual in the Test Settings section, you will need to press the Enter key to initiate the test. If Auto was selected, the test will start by simply connecting the Kelvin clamps to the battery. Be sure to make your connection on the battery in the same location each time. Failure to perform reproducible connection, in particular on high-capacity batteries, can lead to noticeable artifacts in the impedance and cell scan readings due to the variable contributions of the post and other conductive elements. Disconnect from the test item once the test is performed and connect to the next one. You can exit the test session at any time by pressing F1. You will be able to resume the test session if the test is incomplete. Incomplete means that all the batteries in the string were not tested. Also note that it is necessary to complete the first test to establish a definitive baseline. Not completing the first test, however, will prevent you from seeing baseline-based values such as impedance percentage and cell scan values in both the analyzer and IBMS. The analyzer will indicate if the test is complete during the exit procedure. You will have to confirm the completion of this test by pressing F2. For more information on performing string tests with your analyzer, please consult the training video for string testing. Test results can be reviewed on the analyzer and in IBMS. On the analyzer, select Test Results from the main menu and navigate to your string to select the test results to review. You can browse through the overview of your various tests with the up and down arrows. You can select a test item using the Enter key to review all the test detail for this item. From this screen, you can also use the up and down arrows to scroll through test results. In IBMS, click on Test Results. The inventory overview displays the summary of the available test results. Select the one to be reviewed and open the test results with a double left click. You will be able to review the collected parameters via tables, graphs, or track and trend the evolution of a single battery. You will also be able to generate printable reports. For more information on reviewing test results, please consult the corresponding video ECTR1 for the analyzer and the related video sections for IBMS. This completes the overview of the EC Series Analyzer in IBMS. For more information, please visit Global Energy Innovation's website to watch the other detailed training videos on the EC Series Analyzer and IBMS.